So we have seen what is photosynthesis and what happens after photosynthesis in the last video lessons. Now we shall discuss about a specific special kind of molecule that is present in the living organisms which act as a currency or energy currency. So that molecule's name is ATP, short form for adenosine triphosphate. And the main purpose of ATP is the storage of energy. So you may ask why plants and animals use ATP to store energy. So the answer is that it is a very simple process to store energy in the bonds of ATP as well as to utilize the energy from the ATP molecule. So since it is easy to convert the energy from the storage form to usable form in an ATP molecule, the living organisms use ATP as their energy currency. So the nucleotide coenzyme adenosine triphosphate is the most important form of chemical energy in all cells. So in order to store energy, what happens is that adenosine diphosphate molecules absorb and store energy in an additional phosphate bond to create the adenosine triphosphate. That is the energy currency of all cells. Now we shall look in detail onto the structure of ATP. So adenosine triphosphate consists of a nucleotide called adenine, and it is attached to a sugar molecule called ribose, and this nucleotide sugar nitrogen based sugar molecule is attached to 3 phosphate groups, and thus it becomes nucleotide. And the energy is stored in between the bonds of the second and the third phosphate group. So the bonds between phosphate is only possible through high energy consumption. That is why a single bond of phosphate groups can create tremendous amount of energy. So as you can see, in photosynthesis as well as cellular respiration, this ADP molecule, which is having 2 phosphate attached to the nitrogen base and the sugar molecule, get reacted to a free phosphate group, and the energy energy will be stored inside the bond between the second and the third phosphate group. And when this when the plant or the animal need energy, what happens is that with the help of some enzymes, this ATP will be broken to ADP and phosphate, and the energy will be released, and that energy will be utilized further by the organism for some other metabolic reactions. So that is why ATP is considered as the energy currency of cell.